It's back on. There must be a limit to the amount of time.
Okay.
And this one, what shape is this one in? You're gonna need that, right?
I didn't eat it. It's cold.
It's cold. I keep moving it because it'll get less sticky.
Just gonna keep doing this. I'm not so just as you. Oh dang it. Oh yay. I guess this glue doesn't get on your shorts. Okay, I got it. Good. I'm gonna mix this one with the other one, just not with the red one. Ooh. Let's see what white and blue make. Mixed together. I bet it's just like white and blue. Whoa! Or maybe sky. Just color the sky. Still recording? Yup. Still recording. I'm keeping this.
That's a good one. This one's,
Melting.
yeah, that one's good too.
Yeah. I guess almost blue isn't that bad. Should I mix it with the blue sky color? I don't know.
Do you want to put
I need
that
to
one in a
pee.
baggie? You can put that one in a baggie.
Yeah. But I need to pee. Cause I said that.
Let me know when you're ready to go for a walk.
Okay. I'm ready to go for a walk. I don't know if we could bring you, but we are. Then after the walk, Mom, do we have a divider?
So you can keep them all.
Yeah.
See if we have anything.
And here's the slime shoved into your face. Again, and again, and again. Good, it's not slimy.
Will this work? We don't really use it for the